The first thing you want to do to fix your credit is you want to get your credit score. You're going to look at your credit score, and then you're also going to go to the category where you can see your credit report. The best thing to do is go to a credit reporting agency. Now, if you are doing this by your own, there's a few ways you can skin the cat. What I want you to do for free is go to your Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion account. You want to pull all of your credit reports and your scores from those accounts because they are all going to say something differently. Now, there's a way you can actually attack fixing your credit. One technique some people use is, if there's anything that is not matching up on the different credit reports, you can actually attack the credit bureaus by letting them know this. Another thing that you can do is, if you see anything that's inconsistent on those credit reports, you can notify them. It is a part of the Fair Credit Reporting Act that they must report all inaccuracies, and they have to remove those inaccuracies. Or if you find something on the credit report, you can ask them to remove it yourself. If they give you a hard time doing this, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your state attorney general, or you can go to the BBB. Report everything that you're doing when it comes to disputing your credit. But first you have to actually make sure you try disputing it with the credit bureaus yourself. This is going to be done by, number one, sending letters in the mail. Now, what is the advantage of sending things in the mail versus doing it online? Well, you have to give them time to respond to you. And if they don't respond in a timely manner the same way you are going to respond to them, well, then they'll be out of compliance in the time that they must respond to you. Another thing that may happen is they may send you something we call a stall letter. What is a stall letter? A stall letter is just asking for verification, or them telling you that they're going to keep everything on your report the same. Do not fall for that trick, because no matter what, you can get things removed off your credit if it doesn't look right. So what happens is they actually send automated letters back to you saying that maybe things do look verified, or that they check with the other agencies to make sure the agencies were actually reporting accurately. There's a good chance that that is not true. See, each and every single credit report that I've ever seen in my life was always inaccurate. There has always been something inaccurate on somebody's credit report. This is why credit repair people are always going to have a job, because each and every single credit report that I've looked at has something inaccurate on it. And if it's not accurate, guess what? The Fair Credit Report says that it has to be accurate. So make sure you look through that report and do not be afraid to go a few rounds. Another thing you want to take into consideration is that credit report is not easy and is not an overnight fix. As a credit repair specialist, if you're interested in my 30-day 5KO plan to get things removed off your credit report under 30 days, I can help you out with that. But don't think it's going to be overnight. In particular, my team is able to do that with their strategies and techniques. However, the average person will not be able to do it. If you want to do it on your own, there's a possibility that fixing your own credit on your own could take you 3 months to a year. That's right, 3 months to a year. If you're interested in learning more, DM me at Stephon Baines, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok.